Hi, my name is Abhishek Rai and I work for BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management product. In the earlier videos, we found that BMC CLM refreshes CPU, memory, OS, disk information, functional and deployment model, and the IP addresses when you refresh or sync your services. In today's video, we'll talk about refreshing IP addresses when you refresh a server. In case server NIC is associated with firewall, load balancer, or a network path, the IP address is not updated when you click on refresh or sync a server. The plan is to discuss the configuration to refresh IP addresses when you refresh a server. In the scenario when server NIC is associated with a load balancer, firewall rule, or a network path. Once you're done with the configuration, you'll be able to refresh the IP address of a server in case the server NIC is associated with a load balancer, a firewall rule, or a network path in a service offering instance. During the demo, we'll discuss the required configuration to enable this activity. From CLM 4.5 and 4.6 versions, we have introduced a new access attribute value which will help us to configure this option. Let's take a look at this configuration in the providers.json file. Okay, I have opened providers.json file and here is a section which talks about this configuration. So here's the access attribute value and the description of this access attribute is force IP address refresh irrespective of LB, FW, and P associations. Now you need to change the access attribute value to true. By default, the value is set to false. Once you set the value to true, you need to save this configuration and then stop the platform manager services and start the services again. And once that is done, you can go ahead and refresh your server and the IP address will be updated. I hope this video was informative for you and I would like to thank you for watching this.